Hi, this is Dale Guiducci with ERA Credit Services. I'm glad you're here on YouTube watching this video, especially if you are researching how to start a credit repair business. And today I'm going to make a pretty bold statement that some people that are in the, well, I would think all people that are in the credit repair software business would take objection to. Let's just put it that way. But it's so true. And I know that not because of my opinion based on just that I do something differently. It's because I've spoken to over 4,000 people over the years that have been researching credit repair business software. I coach people that are in the credit repair business, either in our business model or using software. And it's the same message over and over and over and over again. What's that message? Stay tuned. I'll be right back. All right, so here we are. Here's the message. Don't buy credit repair business software. If. Okay, there's a few ifs, right? So what's the first if? If you have limited time. I say that because most people that I know of, right? And of course, I don't know everyone that's ever started in the credit repair business, but the people that I've talked to, thousands of people over the last 9 years, a lot of them, most of them probably have started it on a part-time basis. They have a job or they have another business that they're running and they're just using the credit repair to help those clients in that business qualify to do business with them. So in other words, they're a real estate agent. They just want a service that they can put their clients into, help increase their credit score, sell them a home. They're in the solar business, put their clients into, put solar on their roof. They're in the car business. You get it, right? So they have limited time. And I'm here to tell you, credit repair software is not going to help you with the time. Now, it will help you with the dispute letters, right? So in other words, if you're going to do dispute letters, it's going to make it easier. So I will say it's going to make it easier and save you time with dispute letters. But if you're buying credit repair business software, you're going into a different style business model or a business model style that is going to cost you a lot of time. Okay, time for what? Well, listen, you're doing all the work yourself. You're a solopreneur. What's a solopreneur? A solopreneur is someone that wears all the hats. There's no one else in the business that's going to do things for you. So you've got to do the dispute. First of all, you got to get it all set up. We're going to talk about that in a second. But once you get the business set up, you're going to have to do the disputes, right? You're going to have to process the credit cards. You're going to have to do all the customer service on the back end for your clients. Like you're going to have to babysit this account through this process that could take months and months and months. Like sometimes you can help people in 60 days, yes, but some people it's going to take 6 months, 9 months, a year, and you're going to have to walk them through this all this time that you're going to need to spend to be with that client. So if you have limited time, it's not a good business model. The other thing about time is that if you have limited time and you want to grow your business, which we're going to talk about a little bit more here in a second, why spend all that time on each client, right? You need to be able to free up your time to be able to grow and build your business. So if you have limited time, don't go the credit repair business software route. Our business model is all set up and ready to go. If you have limited time, in other words, time during the course of the day, or time to get your business set up. In other words, let's say you want to get it set up right away. You don't want to take weeks and months to get a credit card processing and a surety bond with your state and all those kinds of things, right? Build a website. You got to go through all of that if you go the software route. So just understand, you're not only going to run your business by yourself, but you're going to be building it, setting it all up yourself. It takes weeks and months in some cases, again, depending upon conversations I've had with thousands of people that have tried that route or researched that route. So if you've got limited time to upfront, or you've got limited time each day because you're running another business, don't go the credit repair software route. Okay, another thing, don't go the credit repair software route, or don't buy credit repair business software if you don't have a lot of money to invest, or you want to keep your investment in this business down. Why do I say that? Well, because first of all, software can be expensive. Now, I don't know every software company and what they charge. I do know that Credit Repair Cloud, it's $170 a month. $170 a month, whether you use it or not, right? So if you only get one client a month, well, there goes your profit. Maybe 2, 3 clients a month, there goes your profit in your business, right? So if you're not gonna really put a lot of clients in every single month, the software route doesn't make sense just from the software standpoint. But then you're going to have other expenses, website hosting expenses. Now, you could buy a website and it says, okay, $9.99 a month or $6.99 a month or something. You've got that, but there are other fees that go into working with the website and building a website and getting a website noticed out into the marketplace. So you're going to have fees there. You're going to have surety bonds in most states. Not every state, but in most states, you're going to have to purchase a surety bond. You're looking at hundreds, if not thousands of dollars per year for that surety bond. Sometimes they charge every 2 years, but it still works out to be hundreds or thousands of dollars for that surety bond. You've got those expenses. You have merchant services expenses, right? Every time, yes, you can go find a company, but because you're in the credit repair industry, you're a high-risk industry, and they're going to charge you high fees for that. So every time you process a credit card, boom, there goes a percentage out to the merchant services company, plus they charge a monthly fee. Most people, when they're considering getting into the credit repair business, go, well, geez, if I charge $100 up front and $100 a month and I get 5 clients a month, wow, that's $500. And then that just keeps compounding. No, it's not. You have expenses that you have to deal with, and then go back to the first point I made. Are you going to have time to work with all those people as your business grows? Because 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, if it takes 6 months to help the average client, now you got 30, 35 clients. Do you have time to work with 30, 35 clients if you have to do everything, if you're that solopreneur? So if you have a limited amount of money to invest and a limited amount of money, or you want to put in a limited amount of money every single month for your overhead, don't go the software route. Our business model, listen, it's $299 to get started, $299, less than $300 to get started, $89 a month until you have 5 customers on service. Once you have 5 customers on service, that $89 payment goes away. So let's say you get started, $299, and in your first 30 days, you get your hustle on a little bit, you get your first 5 clients, you have no more business expenses. There's no web hosting. We give you the website. There's no merchant services. We take care of the merchant services. There's no cost for pulling credit. We didn't talk about that one yet. There's no cost for pulling credit. We take on that cost. Our company does. You have no other business expenses, and going back to the time factor, you can be up and running today. So if you've got clients that you could put in like right away, instead of waiting weeks and months to get a business set up, you could put them in tomorrow and start earning income, but more importantly, helping those clients. So maybe again, if you're a real estate agent or a mortgage broker or a car dealer or a solar company, you can do that deal much quicker because you're going to be able to get their credit score up quicker because you're going to be able to put them in quicker. Okay. Now we have a staff that does all that back end work for you. So you're not going to have to come home from the office, right, and sit in front of your computer for 3 hours taking care of clients. We have a staff that pulls credit, drafts dispute letters, gets the dispute letters out the door, handles all the customer service 8.5 hours a day. It's brilliant. So here's the last if, and I think I've really kind of covered it already, but let me just drive this point home. If you want to scale and grow your business, don't go the credit repair software route, because again, you're going to be doing it all yourself. Now, you might say, well, yeah, I'm only going to put in a couple of clients a month because, again, I'm trying to help my real estate business. I'm trying to help my tax business or my accounting business or my solar business. I get that. But if you're only going to put in a couple of clients a month, why would you spend all that money? See, now you've got a cost factor. Why would you spend all the money to get that business set up and then spend all that monthly money if you're only going to put a couple of clients in a month. That doesn't make sense. And if you really want to grow and scale your business, you're not going to be able to do it by yourself because, again, you're doing everything. Why not look at our business model? And I've got a video that I'm going to put a link in the description that you can go and watch that video here on YouTube. I'll also put a link to our website, which actually I think is better if you go over to the website, because now you can see a lot more, right? But go over to the website and watch the same video, either here on YouTube or over on our website. But it talks about every aspect of our business, and you will see we've got the entire infrastructure ready to go for you now. And you don't have to deal with all this business setup, all these expenses. You could be in business tomorrow and then you can scale it as big as you want. Why? Even if you're working part-time. Why? Because when you put a client into the system, all the work is done by the corporate office, right? Number one. So you press the button, submit, man, you're doing something else. You can spend more time in marketing your business. You can spend more time with your family, whatever it is you need to do. And especially for those of you that have a part-time, full-time job, it makes total sense. So, and your clients are going to get well taken care of, because not only are the services going to get delivered right away, and your customer is going to have an online portal, and we've got all kinds of technology. We got a phone app for our customers, for your customers. We got a phone app for you to help you with your marketing. I mean, listen, I'm telling you, do it all yourself. Makes no sense to me. You don't have the technology, the time, the money, everything's on you. Or work with a company that's been around for 17 years now, that I personally have been a part of for 9 years, and I mean, have everything done, have everything up and running, get in for a low cost and stay in for no money out of your pocket potentially. Wow. Can you see why I'm coming on and being so strong about this message? You got to take a look at our business model. Click the video below, the link below in the description. It'll take you to the YouTube video. Click the link, go to our website. On the website, by the way, if you see the video, you like what you see, you can book a phone appointment with us. We don't expect you to watch a video and buy your credit repair business. No, we want to get on the phone with you and have a conversation. And basically, we're going to fill in the gaps, answer questions for you, have conversation. You can ask us about our experience in 9 years in this business, what it's done for us personally, professionally, you know, and then you make a decision. You make a logical, informed decision whether this business model is right for you, or you want to go and do it all yourself and buy software. So that's my story. I'm sticking to it. And we can talk some more once you book that phone appointment and give us a call. So if you like this video, give me a like, subscribe to the channel, because we do videos a lot, and you'll see in our playlists and so forth. Man, we've been doing this a long time, and we're just here to help people be as successful as possible in the credit repair business. Y'all have a great day. Take care. Bye now. Top is up.